Hello and welcome to this Mastering Excel Essentials in 60 Minutes course. Today we'll learn how to format cells, rows and columns. This is our Excel worksheet, and then we can see that there are rows and columns. So if we see at the top, there is some columns, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, and on the left side you can see there are rows A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you click on any cell, you can see that we can reference this cell using the column and the row. So if we select this cell, that is B2, so in the name box you can see that it is showing B2. So if we type C3 in here and press enter, it will go to that cell automatically. As you can see, this is very easy to understand, and whenever you are typing something in the cell, it will show in the formula box. So let's go and write something. So we'll write serial number. As you can see that this cell is overlapping the next cell, so we'll just select the small icon that is in between the rows, and we drag it on the right, so we'll have more space on the column. Okay, so we'll go directly to how to format the cells. So you click on any cell, and if you see that at the top we have the tabs and the ribbons. So if you click on the tab home and we click on the font group, and if we select B, that is the bold. So if you click on bold, the letter will become bold. If you click italic, it will become italic. If you click underline, it will show an underline. If you select the small arrow that is pointing downwards and select down double underline, it will show as a double underline. So in this way you can actually format the letters or the text. You can also select the font. If you click on the font, it will change the font automatically. If you can select the size of the font, you can just select the font of the size. You can also use the shortcut that is just next to this size. If you click on the A with the arrow at the top, it will increase the font size, and if you click the next one, it will decrease the font size. So you can use these command buttons to use the formatting of the text very easily. You can also use this border command. So if you click on the bottom border, as you can see, it will show you a bottom border. If you select top border, it will show you a top border. If you select the all borders, it will select the borders all around the cell. The next formatting that you will use is the background. So if you click on the cell and if you select this command button, you can just click on the color and it will fill the color in that cell. You can select multiple cell and apply the command line. If you want to change the font color, you can just click on the text and you can just select this text change command button, and you can just select the color and it will change the text automatically. If you want to like change the color of the whole column, you can select the column and you can select the color, or you can select anything that you want. You can change the font size, you can change the formatting of the text. In the similar way, if you select the row and if you apply any of the commands, it will apply the commands accordingly. You can also have some other options. So if you select a cell and you click on the small arrow that is pointing lower right, so you can see the shortcut is also showing here, Control Shift F. Click on it and you can see more options here. So from the beginning, the number, alignment, and the font and border, fill and protection. So in this way you can format the cell and the columns and the rows. Hope you have found this course useful, and see you in the next course.